Let's say this is your statement right here. That statement, that first one, or your enhanced version. This is who we are. And then below here, we're going to organize, our entire staff is going to organize to ensure every kid grows to this. Every kid grows to this. I didn't hear any dumb groups. I didn't hear anything about rampant ability grouping. I didn't hear about stacking and tracking in any of your statements. So the moment you organize to ensure every student experiences what goes on in your statement, that's equity. That's equity in a very broad sense, in a very, very broad sense.